Are Kenmore hot water heaters good?
A lot of their hot water heaters have a 12-year limited warranty.
12 years is a long time. Most hot water heaters only last 10 to 20 years.
The limited warranty is deceiving because it doesn't cover things like the thermostat. What good is a warranty that doesn't cover the most expensive parts?
They did say limited.
The gas water heater pilot lights tend to go out a lot. You then have to reignite the pilot light, sometimes several times a day.
That's something to call tech support for.
It takes several phone calls just to get an appointment with a technician. And then they offer their service protection plan while you're calling for the fourth time to get a warranty-covered tech in to fix the hot water heater.
Call centers in general have a bad reputation.
You get rerouted between people until getting to someone who can actually help or schedule a tech to show up. When the tech says it can't be repaired and must be replaced, they still charge you for the service visit.
That will drive up the cost rather quickly.
And their replacement parts are already inflated. Sears charges several times more for its replacement parts than universal replacement parts you can get somewhere else.
How well do they actually function?
Their hot water heaters tend to leak around the vent pipe area. Their new hot water heaters are more likely to leak or break from the get-go.
That's reason to get it replaced.
When a new Kenmore hot water heater has a leak, they'll require the installation tech to confirm the problem before they'll replace it. That's a second tech visit and even more delays to get a defective new hot water heater installed.
The only thing worse than a broken hot water heater is a new, broken hot water heater.
This bad customer service on top of poor quality should put Kenmore in hot water.